Welcome back, everybody. Today we did. Well, she has. Do you want to slice it? Okay. Oof, that crisp. There you go. Eat up. Today we did some grilled cheese sandwiches. So, little backstory to this. How is it? Good. Good. Okay. So yes, this triple. She's just eating the single. Well, mine's triple. I have three pieces of bread. A little backstory to this. Okay, so when I was growing up, I was played various sports, football being one of them. My dad wanted to make sure I was getting all the nutrients and all trying to feed me as much as possible. So he made me these kind of sandwiches, triple decker grilled cheese sandwiches, and every once in a while bacon will be thrown in there too. So I wanted to.
Before my soccer game.
We should make it before your soccer game.
No, you should have.
Oh, well, we have more soccer games.
Not until April 17th.
Oh, that's true. I just wanted to do a throwback to my high school days. I'll throw up a a good picture of me that was pictured in the newspaper. That was pretty funny. During when I was in high school doing a tackle. That was pretty fun. Anyway, I'm gonna go and give this guy a try. The grill was a little hotter than I wanted it to be, so
It's still super hot.
Still really good. So the crust, the toast is really good. Just the cheese didn't melt as much as I was wanting to or expecting. We used cheddar and gruyere. Which, by the way, gruyere cheese, that's pretty darn expensive. I wasn't ready for that one, but hey, let's be fancy. No, that's a sandwich. We use Texas toast. I love the I'm gonna say the flavor you get from the butter and the Texas toast on a grill. Absolutely on a griddle or a flat top. Love it. Absolutely love it. Good eating tonight, right, kiddo? Okay. I'm gonna finish this off. Thanks for watching, everybody. Very, very simple video today. Not all of them have to be. Excuse me. Not all of them have to be crazy. Some can be very, very simple, very basic, but it still tastes absolutely amazing. No complaints from anybody in the household, except for people who don't eat cheese. Hopefully that doesn't make too much noise. Singing dog. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you are having a great Saturday. Stay tuned for next week. We have some more awesome videos for you to watch. Keep barbecuing, America. Cheers.